Hi there everyone, I'm the INTP Watcher and I'd like to show you what's been happening. Basically, I've figured out that they always spray ahead of cold fronts. So if we look at the surface pressure charts, you can see here a cold front and it's moving, well, it's disappeared now. Wonder where it's gone. But we've got a few fronts, weather fronts here, but mainly this cold front here. So that is this part here, and if I reverse this, rewind this, so this is the 24th, we're looking at the 23rd, and as you can see there are a few trails on this weather front. Now what I'd like to show you is all the other places where there aren't any trails. They always spray ahead of cold fronts, and what you can see when I zoom in is just the absolute massive amount of trails in this one particular area. Look at that. And that is the weather front. So it's also down here. Now what's even worse, it was today over Paris, just this one area. Look at all them, and all the way along this weather front here, and all the way into England. Now just let me play this through. Look at that, this whole area, and that turns into this. So that's an actual cloud, completely made out of contrails. Bang. So where are the other planes then? There's none over Ukraine because it's at war. There's none over Italy. There's none over Africa. Oman. Can we see some down here maybe? Not really. I mean, there should be plenty there, considering when you look at the flight radar, there's hundreds, if not thousands. So where are they all? You zoom across and take a look. The contrails just aren't there. Contrails burn clean. Jet fuel burns clean. Hardly has any residue, anything whatsoever. So when you can see the sign of contrails just like these ones, you know that it's chemtrailing. It absolutely is, and it's always ahead of cold fronts. Look at that. So there we go. A little bit more evidence. 24th of the 7th, flight radar showing plenty of planes all over the place, but only, so where's all the ones there? Only the ones with chemicals in them trying to keep us hot over Paris, over the UK. It's weather warfare, people. And if you take a look a little bit more into the study of aluminium from geoengineering to accelerate decline in bee populations, we now know why the bees are disappearing, and it's because they've got aluminium sprayed by planes, falls down to the ground, and the bees suck it up from the flowers in the nectar, also from water, and then feed it to their babies, and then the baby pupa have aluminium in their brains, which causes Alzheimer's. So where's the aluminium coming from? One possible avenue is the soil. Aluminium through geoengineering. So we've got a ex-military whistleblower came and basically talked about this. I'll link this in the description for you to have a look at, and I'll link a few more things in there as well.